To install your Rokform case, simply slide the edge of your phone into one side of the case and apply pressure on the other. Using two magnets gives your phone a stronger hold. Enjoy hands-free convenience on the go. For golf carts, we recommend having both magnets installed. The integrated magnet is included with all our cases. The center magnet is optional, not included with all cases. These magnets will not affect your GPS navigation or credit cards. They've been proven indefinitely useful and safe since 2011. To install your center magnet, first remove the case. Peel back from the top and pull the phone out forward. Then take out your Rocklock plug and click the magnet into the case. If you want to wirelessly charge your phone, simply remove the center magnet like so. This only works with our wireless series cases. If you have another Rokform case, you will have to remove the integrated magnet to wirelessly charge. With the center magnet out, you can still stick your phone to our mounts or any magnetic surface using the lower magnet. You can also use portrait mode in the car using any of our twist lock mounts. Rokform's cases allow you to go hands-free almost anywhere. Anti-slip grip means your phone won't slide on slick surfaces and it gives your phone an improved magnetic grip. Forget bulky, heavy cases. Ours is thin and lightweight and won't weigh you down. Get the shockproof protection you need with the thin, slim profile. Slip it in and out of your pocket with ease. To install the lanyard, loop the string around the two slots on the back of the case and tug until it's tight and secure. All of this quality and convenience is backed with an industry-leading 2-year warranty, a 60-day money-back guarantee, and a world-class customer service available by phone at 855-765-3676 by emailing info@rokform.com or through our website. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Go beyond protection at rokform.com.